Good afternoon. So today we will discuss about polynomial. Polynomial. Under this, we will discuss about polynomial. Polynomial in one variable, zeros of polynomial, remainder theorem, factorization of polynomial, and algebraic identities. So firstly, we will discuss about the definition of polynomial. So the polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficient that involve only the operation of addition, subtraction and multiplication and non-negative integer exponent. Example: x square minus 8x plus 9. So here the variable is x and the coefficients are 1, minus 8 and 9. In the polynomials, the exponents should not be negative or in fraction. Exponents should always be in whole numbers. For example, if we talk about in x square minus 8x plus 9, here the exponent is 2, here exponent is 1, and we can write 9 into x 0. Here 0 is also an whole number. So this is polynomial. If we talk about y square plus 2y plus 3, this is also an polynomial because here 2 is whole number, 1 is whole number and 0 is also an whole number. But if we talk about 4 into z to the power minus 2 plus 3z, here minus 2 is in a negative number, so the exponent is negative, which is not an whole number, hence it is not a polynomial. If we talk about variables, what are the variables? In all the above examples, the variables are x, y, z, which may change. Value of variable may be different in different expressions or equations. Constant number, which are fixed numbers, for example 1, 2, 3, these are the constant numbers. If we talk about variable constant in 3x square plus 5x plus 2, here x is variable, 3 constant, 5 constant and 2 is also a constant number. Here x is variable, y is variable, z is variable, and 3, 4, 2 are constant numbers. Next, move on to topic polynomial of one variable. Polynomial of one variable. If we talk about square, let the side of square is x, so the all sides of this square is x. If we find perimeter of square, then the perimeter of square is the sum of all the sides. It means x plus x plus x plus x. So this will be 4x, and area of square which is side into side, it means x into x, which is x square. These are the polynomial in one variable, because here the variable is only x. Here is all x, here is also x. Another example, if we talk about circle whose radius is r, then the perimeter of circle is 2 pi r, which is also one variable polynomial, because here the variable is r. Because 2 is constant, pi is also constant, and r may be changed in different cases. Area of circle is also pi r square, which is also a polynomial in one variable. Another examples of polynomial one variable, 8x cube plus 4x square plus 9. Here the variable is only x, so this is also a polynomial in one variable. Here is also the variable is 1, which is x. This is also a polynomial of one variable. It is also a polynomial of one variable, because here the variable is y. Here the variable is z, so this is also a polynomial of one variable. If we talk about x square plus y square plus 2x, it is not a polynomial in one variable, because here the variable are x and y. So this is not a polynomial, but it is a polynomial. But it is a polynomial because there are two variables, exponents are positive and whole numbers, but this is not a polynomial of one variable, because the variable here x and y. If we talk about terms and coefficient of terms, x square plus 2x plus 3, here the terms are x square, 2x and 3. So here are three terms, which is x square, 2x and 3, and the sign of plus is an operator. Here is also the terms there are four terms, which is 4x cube, 3x square, 2x and 8, and the coefficient of terms are, here is the coefficient of x cube is 4, here the coefficient of x square is 3, here the coefficient of x is 2, and here is coefficient is 8, which is the coefficient of x to the power 0. Here are two terms, x5 and 9, and here are three terms, which are 3x cube, 2x square, 7. So this will be the topic we have discussed today. Thank you.